Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start participating in Oro AI Airdrop. But before I show you that, let me show you what Oro AI is, what they are building, and why it's very important. One of the very hottest trends in crypto right now is crypto and AI, and Oro AI fall in this category. The Oro AI is a decentralized AI infrastructure project that lets normal users contribute private data to help train AI models, and in return, you earn Oro points, which will be converted to tradable tokens by the time they are on mainnet. Their mission is pretty simple. Instead of companies like Google, Meta, TikTok, all those big companies, OpenAI, collecting your data for free, this company collects your data for free without rewarding you for it. Oro wants you, the user, to benefit from the data you create every day that they are collecting from you. And they've been able to raise about $6 million from noticeable investors like AI 6Z, 6 years, and DeFi Ventures as seed phrase, as seed funding, meaning that they can still raise more, right? See why I'm very bullish on this project. So why does it matter? Right now, every AI model depends on massive amounts of data to train their AI to become smarter. The problem is most of that data comes from scrapping the internet, collecting user behavior. Maybe when you ask something or you correct their AI that the answer is not correct, they use their data. Maybe you correct the AI that the answer is given is not correct. They use the data to train the AI. From the way you chat, what you tell the AI, they collect data they use to train the AI to become more smarter. Or some of them even go to the essence of harvesting private info without permission. But Oro flips this completely. What Oro is doing is you keep ownership of your data. You choose what to share, and your data is used to help train AI models, and you will receive rewards for contributing. This is solving two major problems at once, which is not enough high quality private data for AI models. These AI models need high quality private data to train their AI to become more smarter. The second problem that this is solving is users not getting rewarded for their contribution. These companies, where they collect your data, maybe by using their app or their platform, when they collect your data, you don't get rewarded for it. They just collect your data. But Oro is changing that. So to start participating in the airdrop, now that you guys know this, let me show you how you can start participating in the airdrop right now and position yourself to earn points that will later be converted into tradable token when they launch on mainnet. Let's dive in.
So once you click the link in the description, click the link and you open it in your browser. So once you click the link in the description, you click the link and you open it in your browser. So you see, you will land, you get to this page, contribute to AI, gets rewarded. So let me open this properly. So you can sign up with your Google account or your email, and you verify the captcha. So I'm gonna verify the captcha, then I'm gonna go with email, then enter my password. What's going on? I think this email is giving me tough time. I think I just go with Google. I just go with Google, my Google account, because it's not signing in. I just go with my Google account. So I'll click continue with Google. Then I'll choose the account. I'll choose the Google account I want to sign up with. Sign to Oro. I'll just click continue. Authentication error. What could cause that? Let me refresh the page. Let me refresh the page. Now it's saying now it has done normal. It has looked. What should we call you? Glacier beacon. So I think for me I just go with the first one. Just click the first one. Just go with the first one and click continue. I recommend you do so too. So and I click continue. I have a referral code. I enter my referral code. Make sure you enter your referral code because you're giving some bonus points for using referral code. I'll leave my referral code in the description so that you can just copy it. Once you see the video title, just click more. Then you see the description box. Get ready for land. Just click land. Your privacy is our top priority. Blah blah blah. Just click land. Then you learn as the airdrop interface audio missions. So just click got it. Then these are the tags connect Coinbase accounts. If you check the top right here, you see I was giving 125 points without, and I've not done any tax. That's because I use referral code. So you do all this tag, connect Gmail, connect Coinbase. I will first connect my Gmail. You see I get 500 points for connecting, and I'm getting 25 points per day just for connecting. You don't need to be coming back to this every day. You see how easy this is. So I will connect my Discord. I swear you can connect your X too. So let me connect my X. So connect X. You can read all those things they put there. Connect to Gmail. I'm going to connect my Gmail. So then I will choose the same account to sign it. So the same Gmail, then you see you are signed back to Oro, then click continue. So continue. So mission success. 500 points for connecting. So just click done. So you can connect your Coinbase account if you have, connect your Amazon if you have, record a multilingual conversation, record real conversation for multilingual AI. So you can record conversation, maybe a call with your friends, you can record it, then you upload it here. You upload it here, when they approve it. See, have a spontaneous conversation with a friend or family member in your native language. Your native language can be English, Spanish, Igbo, Yoruba. Then for me, I don't think I have what I can upload right here. So I think I will leave this.